Hi students, in the last class we discussed about the different definitions. Now, after Adam Smith definition, examination point of view, the Alfred Marshall definition is there, but the lineal Robbins definition, which is very important for you, examination point of view. You know that there are four definitions are there. Adam Smith gave wealth definition, Alfred Marshall gave welfare definition, Lineal Robbins gave scarcity definition, and Paul Samuelson has given that growth definition. But among all these definitions, the scarcity definition is very important. It is a scientifically proved. This definition, the Lineal Robbins definition has given in 1932. 1932. This Lineal Robbins is one of a famous economist. He's a British economist. He's a British economist. And he wrote a book in 1932. That book is an essay on the natural and significance of economic science. Essay on natural significance of economic science. So this is 1932 he wrote. Means he proved economics is very important and economics is a concern to scarcity. And if he wants to explain his definition, he has taken the three things in his concept. Those three things are that unlimited ends, and ends means wants, unlimited wants or ends, unlimited resources. This is also called as a means, and alternative uses. Alternative uses. These three things are very important. You are supposed to remember these three things. That unlimited ends means wants. Wants are unlimited. If one want is satisfied human, then again another want, a new want will be developed. The wants are keep on developing. Once if the want is satisfied, don't think that for lifelong you do not have any wants. The wants is keep on developing, keep on crop up. Suppose if you got very good marks in 10th class, you want to get good marks in intermediate. Afterwards degree, afterwards PG, afterwards a good job, afterwards a promotion, afterwards getting married, afterwards wants are keep on developing. Wants will never stop. You keep having the wants unlimitedly. And next one is resources are limited. Resources, when your wants, suppose for example I tell you one thing, if you are getting 1000 rupees income, your expenditure will definitely 1500 like that. You will definitely have whatever the expenditure will be more than the income. That is the reason Buffett will say that whatever the income you are getting, you save certain amount and rest of the money you will try to spend it. But it's not possible. Everybody will fall into debts. Suppose if you are having unlimited resources, unlimited money, unlimited means, then there is no point of economics. There is no point of economic growth. So here the resources are always limited. When a person has started his life, he will have a small amount of salary, but his experience and talents and age and all the things are increasing. Salary also will increase. At the same time, his expenditure also will increase. His wants also will increase. So you should understand that here, one thing, what is that means? The limited resources, unlimited. But resources, what are the resources? Generally the people used to say that resources means, let us consider the factors of production. Land, labor, capital, organization. Land, if you take a piece of land, you can cultivate agriculture, you can construct a college, you can construct a hospital, you can construct so many things. But once if you are using for one purpose, the other purposes are sacrificed. Means a piece of land is having number of uses, but if you are using one purpose, other purposes are sacrificed. That is also called as opportunity cost. Next best opportunity cost. So the labor, suppose I am taking the class, at the same time I can do so many things, but I cannot do all the things at a time. Once if I am engaged in one job, other jobs are sacrificed. So like that mission is there. If you are using, suppose the iron is there. If you are using iron for construction a house, you cannot use the same iron for a railway track. So these resources are having number of uses, but if you are using for one purpose, other purposes are sacrificed. This is called alternative uses. So that Robbins is explained that wants are unlimited and resources are means are limited, and these are having number of uses. Then what is happening is the choice problem is rising. For every individual, the choice problem rises. I will explain how this with the same chart. This 1 minute. So this Robbins definition, if you remember these three things, unlimited wants, limited resources, alternative uses, you can definitely attend this question to write your answer perfectly to get a very good marks. And whatever the marks you are expecting, definitely you can get that. So this is the economic problem related. This can be called as economic problem related. See, I told you three things. What are those? Unlimited resources, unlimited unlimited wants, limited resources, and alternative uses. First, let us talk about the wants. This way, let us take this. This is the wants. Wants are unlimited. Unlimited. When you are having unlimited wants, you are having 10 rupees in your pocket. But that you are having in your brain, you want to purchase number of things. So you can purchase only one thing. Whether a sweets, whether a book, whether a pen, whether a bag, or something like that. You cannot purchase with the 100 rupees or 10 rupees all the things. Then you will have this one thing is that depends upon number of urgency. If it is book is very urgent, if the bag is very urgent, and pen is very urgent, or which is important, depends upon importance, you will purchase the things. And the next thing is means. Means means resources. Means means resources. Here the resources are limited. You are having the limited resources. It is not unlimited resources. You are having land, labor, capital, organization, books, pen, so many things. You are having a limited resources. When you are having limited resources, these are having alternative uses. Alternative uses. So you should understand this. So the wants are unlimited, depends upon emergency, depends upon importance, you will choose this. The means, resource, land, labor, capital, these are limited, they are having number of uses. Which purpose you want to use, which commodity you want to purchase, this is called choice problem. This is called choice problem. Just if you write that what is unlimited resources and limited means and alternative uses, and if you explain few lines about it, and afterwards if you keep this chart, this is enough, you will get very good points. And sometimes you will ask, what is the importance, what is the superiority of the scarcity definition? There are very important 3 points are there. Those 3 points if you write, that's enough. Those 3 points are his definition. His definition is, first one is analytical definition. Analytical definition. Why analytical? He will talk about the wants and he will talk about that individual, every individual, material and non-material. So next one is, the second one is universal. Universal. Whether it is a developed economy or the underdeveloped economy, depends upon, every country will have a limited resources. And the third one is, it is a positive economics. Means if your human wants are there, if every person should satisfy these wants. So this is about the scarcity definition of linear Robbins. My dear students, if you understand this, it's okay. If you could not able to understand, please call me and subscribe it, and please follow my number in that screen. It is coming 9949019436, and like it and share it. Thank you one and all.